Hey guys, this is my bice check. Custom. Look at it. Take a look. Ooh. Okay, I guess we'll start at the top. Hold together long necks. We the people Mad Max bars. Profile push stem. Shadow forks. Shadow headset. S&M, BTM, mic holder frame in red. Adam LZ, he's the best. Demolition Revolt cranks. Odyssey, LA guard, sprocket, KMC chain. Adam LZ, he's the best, you know. Odyssey PC pedals, kink seat, shadow seat post, demolition momentum tires. Look at me, boy. 2.35 in the front. Look at me, boy. 2.20 in the back. See that? I got hub guards on both sides. Profile. G-Sport birdcage rims. Profile Mini. And a Profile Elite in the back.
Bring that back.
Okay, I guess a hub count for you guys.
Yeah, bring that back. Bring that back.
It's kind of loud.
Bring that back.
Really loud. Now look at this.
It's that back.
Oh, shoot.
Bring that back. I like that back. Oh. 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 Bring that back. Oh. 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 Oh.
Like I said, nice bike check.
Bring that back.
Around 23 pounds. 23 pounds. Nice bike. Subscribe, like, and comment.